Greetings. So I suffer from really bad bruxism, the eating of oneself at night, the grinding of one's teeth. And I'm curious if anyone has any relief for this. I do wear a night guard, but apparently I sleep so intensely that I just not quite through it, but well, kind of through it. So I'm wondering if y'all have any suggestions how to relax, because I've been getting these terrible, debilitating migraines from the intensity in which I am chewing myself at night. So I could really use some pointers. Please let me know.